Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I wanted to make today's video about Printify. What does it exactly do and how you can utilize it? So this is not me necessarily promoting Printify. I'm just using Printify because it's one of the easiest tools to use necessarily. And I kind of want to explain what it is because there are some members who follow my YouTube videos, whether it be in the paid members area, Passive Income School, or it even be on my YouTube channel for free. They watch a lot of my content, but they're just not sure about how it works and how some of our free tools kind of integrate with that, if that makes sense. So I'll kind of explain that now. Obviously, if you're familiar with print on demand, if you do it every day, if you know what you're doing, then you probably know what I'm about to say, but stick around for the video anyway, because there are some things you're going to be introduced to. All right, so let's be clear about what Printify is. Printify is a print on demand manufacturer. Well, what is print on demand? It's just simply something is printed on demand. That's all it is. So when are things printed on demand? Well, when somebody purchases a product, right? If you have a hoodie with a t-shirt design on, or excuse me, a design on that hoodie, and somebody orders it from any marketplace, whether it be Etsy, whether it be eBay, right? Somebody orders that hoodie, you have to fulfill it. And instead of you sitting there and making the t-shirt or the hoodie or the hat or whatever the case it might be, somebody else makes it for you. You pay them the price that it costs to produce that product. They ship it out to the customer. The customer receives their product and everybody's happy. At least that's what happens in a perfect world. Of course, sometimes that print on demand manufacturer might have some errors. They might have some issues with how they print things and things go out, but nonetheless, that's kind of, like I said, the perfect case scenario. So what is Printify? Well, Printify is nothing more than a print on demand manufacturer, just like I mentioned. And you could see here on Printify, there are different products that you could put your designs on. So for example, if I click on this t-shirt here called the Unisex Heavy Cotton Tee, you could see here it costs $9.50 or starting at $9.50, and there are prices to ship it. So for example, $3.99, and the fastest possible delivery option is in 1.3 days. If I decide that I like this product, I can go over here, click Start Designing. This is once again on Printify, and I can paste my design right on here. So for example, paste my design right there. Okay, and if I like it, I just hit Save Product. Then I go into the depth of actually fulfilling not fulfilling, but start integrating where this product is going to exist. Where am I going to add it? Where am I going to sell it? I could list this product to Etsy. I can list this product to one of my private websites, right? And how do we know where I can actually list this product, right? How can I list it for sale? Because for me, once again, it's going to cost me $9.46 plus that $3.99 shipping. So that's $4. So $4 plus $9.46, let's just assume, is somewhere, let's just say after all costs, after all things, taxes, whatever, all these different fees, right? Let's say it cost me $14 total. Okay, and I know I'm overestimating here, but let's just say that's the case, or $14.50, or even $15. Who cares? That's not the point. The point is now is whatever I sell this product for is going to be my profit margin. So if I sell it for $20, I'm going to make $4 profit, $5 profit, right? Depending on the product, the cost, the manufacturing, the taxes, all that kind of stuff integrates. Okay, so where can I sell these products? What can I do with these products? How can I make money off of it? Well, Printify tells you where you can connect or you can integrate Printify with. So with Printify, you can connect it to a Shopify store. You can connect it to Squarespace. You can connect it to Amazon. For those who don't know, there's different platforms on Amazon. You have Amazon FBA. It's all located in what's called a Seller Central, right? Where you have regular selling on Amazon, then you have FBA, right, fulfilled by Amazon, which is the only differences between the two is who's fulfilling the product. You're creating the product, you're purchasing the product, you're shipping it to their warehouse, but who's responsible for fulfillment? FBA means fulfilled by Amazon, so Amazon is responsible for shipping it out to your customer. If you do it regular, just through Amazon Seller Central, you won't have that little Amazon Prime symbol next to your product, and customers definitely won't get it as fast as Amazon Prime. However, it's still sold on the Amazon Marketplace. And what people do is they'll connect their Printify account to Amazon. But here is the negative part. The negative part is they have to sit down, they have to add each product, add each image, configure the right settings, right? Configure the right, like I want this material, I want this color, I want XYZ, right? They have to do all these kind of things. Then they have to take the images and post them and all this kind of stuff. But what if you could do that all with one click? That's essentially why I created Design Sensei. So, for example, here is Design Sensei. This is the tool that I created. That is an AI tool that people can use to immediately create selling designs on, for print on demand in general. And this could go for, your Printify account. This could go for your Redbubble account. You could post these designs on TeePublic. You could post these designs on Merch by Amazon, which is quite needed because anybody who actually knows the depths of Merch by Amazon, for example, you have these tiers that require a lot of different images. The higher you go up in tier, the more images you can post each and every day. And there are some people who are in tiers that are just so high that they couldn't possibly manually create that many images. There are some people who can create 1,000 different designs a day on Merch by Amazon, or Amazon on demand, as they say, Amazon Merch on demand. That's going to take too much manual effort. It will consume your day, and you still won't reach those limits. So the whole point of Design Sensei is to make that easier, where you don't have to sit there and manually create 100, 200, 500 different designs that are unique, that are, clean, organized, transparent, good looking. You don't have to do any of that. From research to creation to tags to titles, that's what it creates for you. So how is there a Printify integration with Design Sensei, and why would we do that? Well, let's think about it this way. Let's say, for example, you have an eBay account, okay? And you want to post 700 different products on eBay. Let's just assume that you could for just a second. And you probably can, but let's just assume that you can. What you would do is you would go to Design Sensei, and I'll just pull it up here. You would create all your various designs, which, by the way, I already showed how this works. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to actually see the video of it. It was just kind of a progress report video, me showing what updates that we've created on here. And after you create those 50, 100, 200, 500 designs, you send them to Printify. We have a little button here where you can export your designs into Printify. Once you create them, you could send them to Printify. And so when you go to Printify, right here, 8 minutes into the video, we can go back. When we create a new product, we can select what image we want. Now that image should be already added into the library. So if you look here in the library, I have these bunch of images. I didn't upload these images. These images came from Design Sensei. Okay, does that make sense? So right here, this software tool created a whole bunch of images, which, by the way, these are, they're not necessarily good looking. If you want to see better looking examples, just watch my previous video. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description, but this was just a test for me to know how it works or not, or if it works. And so once I click export to Printify, it will send all these images that are instantaneously created by AI that work for t-shirt designs, that are clever, that are searchable, that have some sort of an SEO presence, even if it's minimal. Send it to Printify. These images will exist on Printify, and then you take the design and you post it to whatever Printify integrates with. So in this case, if you take a look here, eBay integrates with Printify, Amazon integrates with Printify, Etsy, your TikTok shop, Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, all these kind of places, right? And so how does this kind of all integrate? How does it all connect? How do you make life easier? The point is that with Design Sensei, what we're doing and what we're working towards is, instead of me having to eventually log in to Printify to, place the image on the canvas of the t-shirt here, and then hit the save product button, and then configure my variants, and then configure my settings, and then, pick all these little finite details, instead just have it all done through Design Sensei in a matter of seconds. Does that make sense? So that's kind of like the goal. That's the idea here. And that's the thing that kind of makes sense when you're, automating the whole process when things are going to be created by AI. So just as like a little quick reference here, to make sure this is very clear, in a normal situation, anybody would sit there and manually create a t-shirt design. Then they would upload it to Printify. Then they would select the t-shirt that they want for the design to go on. After it's then created, they would then take that product and not somehow, but manually, they would integrate Printify with whatever platform Printify integrates with, whether it's your Shopify store, whether it's your Etsy account, whatever it is. And then what they would do is they would go through the manual configurations, like fitting the image properly on the shirt, whatever. They would submit it. Then they would go on Etsy and have it approved and this and that, and they would publish their product. Same thing for Shopify, same thing for Wix, and so far and so forth. But what makes this situation different is that currently we already completed phase one, which is phase one is not only Design Sensei creates all these designs, but sends them to Printify. Does that make sense? And then phase two is through Design Sensei control Printify without having to log into Printify and tell it, where the image needs to go or make any kind of small edits. So with Printify, Design Sensei and Printify in conjunction, I'll be able to click a few buttons, configure how I want my design on my t-shirt, right? After I do that, it will select what products I want them on, and then after that, it would automatically send those products to whatever platform I'm trying to sell it to. Basically, I'll never have to manually log into Printify ever again. Basically, the only time I'll log in is just to make the connection. So phase one is completed. We're working on phase two now, which is a lot more complex. It's not as easy as people think. Very, very complex. But phase one, where Design Sensei currently sits at, is you can make, some really good designs on here made by AI. So it's not like you're sitting there making it. This is not like an alternative to Canva. Canva, you could sit there and just do whatever. In this case, the computer, the AI has control of the actual canvas, if that makes sense. It's controlling what's written on the screen. It's creating these things for us. And we're going to add some really nice, neat features here in the future to Design Sensei. As you guys know, it's been in existence for a week, if that, and we're just adding constantly to it. But really, the nice thing about this is that these designs that you can make through Design Sensei, and once again, there's no designs here. If you want to see how I did it, just click the link in the description. What it will do is it will create designs that you can utilize for Redbubble, for example. So much so that there's multiple people, I think 4 or 5 people now, in our members area, in our very own members area, who have made sales who've never really uploaded consistently to Redbubble in the past. In fact, there are people who never even had a Redbubble account. They created a Redbubble account and literally just didn't even think about it, but created these designs and just uploaded them. And yes, for reference, no, they did not have to tag. They did not have to title. They didn't have to come up with these keywords. They literally just copy and pasted whatever the machine gave them, and they generated sales in that short period of time. So I wanted to explain, like I said, the whole point on Printify and why it's so useful in this very circumstance, because Printify is the tool that allows us to bridge the gap between Design Sensei and something like Amazon. Why? Or Design Sensei and something like eBay. Why? Or Design Sensei and something like Shopify. Why? It's simply because they're the ones who are actually going to do the printing. They're the ones who are going to do the actual manual work to pick it, pack it, ship it, and make sure the customer receives it. Okay? For those who are curious with Printify, guys, we have to pay Printify up front before that product is sold, as opposed to something like a TeePublic or a Redbubble, where I can upload my design on TeePublic and Redbubble, but I can't actually ship it out for them, and I'm not responsible for the cost of the product. I literally just get a small royalty when that item sells. That's the difference. With Printify, I'm paying for the price of the product upfront to the actual manufacturing company, and then therefore I get to, enjoy the profits to whatever extent I want. Imagine I took a t-shirt and sold it for $1,000. Now, let's be honest, is that going to happen? No. But if I really wanted to, and it actually was a system that worked, I would take that profit And more importantly, I can set the price of the product wherever I want. As opposed to Redbubble, I don't really have that much freedom. Of course, I can set my percentage of profit, but you guys know Redbubble takes profit, but it's not that different for TeePublic either. TeePublic, depending on what status account I have, which it doesn't make sense if you're, if you're not artisan, it just doesn't make sense to be on TeePublic. But if you're not at the highest status on TeePublic, you're making very small profits. And even if you are on the highest status on TeePublic, which is that artisan level, your commissions are quite small. And when I say commissions, what I really mean to say is I mean royalties. It's not commissions, it's royalties, because you're getting a small little fraction of that sale that comes in. And yes, Design Sensei's designs work for any and every print-on-demand platform. We specifically made it that 4500 by 5400 to make sure that it fits Merch by Amazon, because we know a lot of people from our YouTube channel here utilize Merch by Amazon, but also that design size fits literally every other platform. I mean, Redbubble, TeePublic, you name it. Now, of course, TeePublic, you might lose like 2 products that you could upload there, but you get the point. All right, so hopefully this makes it very clear for both my members area people and my YouTube people on what Printify's usage is in this scenario, okay? Literally all Design Sensei does at this point is create basically infinity number of designs that do have some sort of research and backing to them through AI. That's number one. And the second thing it does is it takes those images and exports them into Printify. You can also download them. You can also export tags and titles and things like that. But I meant in regards to Printify, and that's why I said phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 2 is when we actually have a few, some buttons on the Design Sensei interface that controls everything you need to control from a Printify standpoint, so they don't have to manually work on the Printify platform. Okay, anybody who's aware, if you use Printify through Shopify, it's pretty slow. It's like buggy and slow and annoying, which is the whole point of like why some people decide not to use it. So the point is we kind of had to iron that out. All right, so thanks for watching. Hope that's clear. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out. Bye.